Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Cloudflare to improve core web vitals, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Cloudflare and improve your core web vitals, begin by signing in to your Cloudflare account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Cloudflare website. Once logged in, select the Add a Site option on your dashboard. Enter your website's URL in the provided field and click Add Site. Choose a plan that suits your needs, and proceed to the next step. Cloudflare will scan your current DNS records. Review the records shown to ensure they match your existing settings. After confirming the DNS records, click Continue. Next, Cloudflare will provide you with name servers for your domain. Log into your domain registrar's website and replace the existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Wait for the DNS changes to propagate. This may take from a few minutes to up to 48 hours. Once your site is using Cloudflare's name servers, return to your Cloudflare dashboard. Navigate to the Speed tab on the left-hand menu. Enable the Auto Minify option for CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Next, enable Rocket Loader for asynchronous loading of JavaScript. In the caching section, select Caching Level and set it to Standard. Purge the cache to ensure your latest content is delivered to visitors. Under the Network tab, enable HTTP/2 and Broadly for enhanced performance. Next, go to the Page Rules section to set up specific rules for better control of caching behavior. Create a page rule for the home page and set it to Cache Level, Cache Everything. Add another page rule to Edge Cache TTL to keep resources cached. Finally, run tests using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or Lighthouse to evaluate your core web vitals. Analyze the results and make any further adjustments as necessary. With these steps, you've successfully connected Cloudflare to improve your core web vitals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.